Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Nissan Murano to a garage door opener using the Easy Home Link system. First, ensure your Murano is parked safely outside your garage, with the engine running or ignition on. You will need your original garage door remote, ideally with a new battery for best results. Find the 3 Home Link buttons, usually located on your vehicle's overhead console or rearview mirror. These simple preparation steps will set you up for success. Before we program a new device, it is important to clear any existing memory from your Home Link system. To do this, press and hold the 2 outer Home Link buttons at the same time. Keep holding them for approximately 10 to 20 seconds until you see the indicator light flash rapidly. Once it flashes quickly, you can release the buttons. This ensures a clean slate for your new garage door opener programming. Now, let's program your handheld remote to your Murano's Home Link system. Position your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches from the Home Link button you wish to program. Using both hands, press and hold your chosen Home Link button and your garage door remote's button simultaneously. Continue holding until the Home Link indicator light changes from a slow blink to a rapid flash. This usually takes less than 1 minute. Once it flashes rapidly, release both buttons. For garage door openers with rolling codes, there's one final step to sync your Murano. Head to your garage door opener motor unit and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press and release this button. An indicator light on the motor should illuminate. You now have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Murano. Inside, press and hold the programmed Home Link button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release sequence 2 or 3 more times until your garage door activates. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.